Hi, I'm Lindsay O'Neill. I'm the Instructional Design Librarian at Pollak Library, as well as part-time faculty in MSIDT. As the librarian subject liaison to MSIDT, I've worked with faculty to secure access to about 11 library ebooks that the program uses as textbooks. Students enjoy instant 24/7 access to these ebooks, which are set to allow unlimited simultaneous users. These are not open sources, they are copyrighted materials, but the library pays for access and they are freely available to anyone associated with Cal State Fullerton, and they work really well for online students. The textbook redesign process for MSIDT did take a little bit of work, but wasn't as challenging as I thought it might be. Several of our textbooks were already available as ebooks through Pollak Library, which made it really easy to make that switch. Some of our textbooks, we had to find an equivalent that was an ebook. So that meant that we had some similar textbooks that are available as ebooks to the library, which we could just adopt and then mix and match what chapters we wanted the students to read. And some of our textbooks, we actually asked our collection development librarian if we could purchase them as ebooks and add them to our online collection so that we can make those available to our students. It takes a team of librarians to make this happen. We have an entire unit of librarians and staff that acquire and make our electronic resources usable. I want to give a shout out to all of our wonderful collections and processing services people that help me and MSIDT out with lowering the cost of education for MSIDT students. I encourage you to take a fresh look at the library's collections. I'm sure that there are materials there that will create a rich learning experience for your students while lowering the cost of education for them as well. Pollak Library is really proud to support MSIDT and the Affordable Learning Solutions Initiative, and we look forward to future collaborations with faculty and programs across campus.